Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to view photos on Redmi A5. So to see your photos on Redmi A5, you should swipe up and after that, go directly to Files. In Files here, you have like this image, like icon. Click on it. And as you can see, you will find all your photos here and you can like do whatever you want with them. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.